everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. And those who are suffering from COVID, I'm praying to God that you get well soon. And this is a tough situations we are going through. So we are all in this together. We have to face this and we have to fight this so that we can win. And again, we can go back to our normal life. And definitely, I believe that one day that will happen. Light will overcome the darkness. So this is how I am keeping myself motivated, and I have also shared my feelings with you so that you can feel motivated. And today I am going to share some of my favorite nude colors. So whenever I make video, many of you have asked me that which color I'm using, which shade I'm using. So today I'm going to show you all my nude favorite colors which I use most of the time in my videos and also in my personal life. And these are all very affordable range, and also they are quite long wear lipstick. You can use this for a longer time. So without any further talk, let's start with the video. I'm going to show you first Nykaa Game On lipstick. This is a very nude pink color. It's a everyday color. It's a long wear lipstick. You can use this lipstick for a long day purpose, and it is a creamy matte finish, and it is such a beautiful color. It can go with most of your outfit. And if you're wearing a blue denim jeans and with this wearing white shirt, and then also if you're wearing this type of lipstick, it will glam up your whole look. So I'm going to show you the swatches. See, it's a nude pink color. And now I'm going to show you Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. I love their whole range. It has a creamy matte formula. It gives a matte effect. At the same time, it has a creamy textures which will keep your lips hydrated. It will not crack out. So that's why I love their whole range. And it is also very affordable. In this range, you are getting a high-end product in an affordable price. So this is in the shade Almond Pink. So I love pinkish nude lipstick because it goes with my skin tone very well, and it goes most of the outfit. If I'm wearing a black with this, also if I wear this lipstick, it will look very soft, stunning and beautiful. So I'm going to swatch this lipstick. See, this is a nude pink color. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick, and this is, as I have already said you, that I love this creamy matte range. So this is another shade. This is a Clay Crush, and this is a more like a pale nude color. It mainly goes with very well with a fair skin tone and fair to medium skin tone. So I have bought this, and most of the time I use it as a topper in most of my lipstick whenever I want to neutral any lipstick. So that's why I love this lipstick a very lot. It gives a very beautiful neutral effect. But definitely I'm not going to use this as a single lipstick in my lips because it will give me more pale effect. So I'm just going to swatch this for you. You can understand that what I'm talking about. This is a more like a peachy nude color. It's not a pink, it's a peachy nude color. And And now I'm going to show you another Maybelline Creamy Matte lipsticks, and now you have understood that how much I'm in love with this Creamy Matte range. Really the pigmentation is so good. In one swatch you will get the color, and it has a creamy textures which will hydrate your lips. Your crack doesn't occur in the lips. At the same time, it gives that matte effect, and it is also quite affordable. So most of the lipstick today I have shown you, most of them are from Maybelline range, and they are also quite affordable. So, and this is in the shade Nude Nuance, so definitely I'm in love with this shade. This is though a brown nude shade, but it goes very well with most of the skin tone. So I'm going to swatch this for you, you'll be able to understand. This is a nude brown color, but definitely the nude color is very good. It will go most of the skin tone. Now I'm going to show you another Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Touch of Spice. So whenever I have purchased this, I have seen review from Nykaa, and most of them said a very good thing about this lipstick. And once I have purchased this, after that I have used this lipstick so many times, and really it's a very good nude pink color, and this is a daily wear lipstick. And those who are in my skin tone, definitely you should purchase this one, and you should keep this in your vanity, because this is a lipstick that you can use for daily purpose. It is a very neutral pink color. It will not look that you have done too much, but definitely it will look very beautiful and very beautiful. So definitely have this one in your vanity. See, this is again another nude pink color. And now I'm going to show you another lipstick. This is from Lakme 9 to 5, and this is in the shade Rosy Sunday. So this is also a very nude color, but this is a little bit rich in colors, and this is also not for day purpose. If you are going for night occasions or for any occasion, if you are going there, you can use this type of shade. Definitely it will look very beautiful. And I have wear this lipstick, so if you can see, there is a little bit sheen in it. It is a little bit shining and glossy effect that will plump up your lipstick, so it is a good thing. It will plump up your lips. Going for any occasion purpose, or if you're going for night occasion, there definitely you can wear this shade. To show you another Maybelline Sensation Liquid Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Best Baby. So this is a nude peach pink color. So this is a mix of most of the color of nude peach and pink, and it will go with most of the skin tone, with fair skin tone, fair to medium skin tone, and also with a medium skin tone. So I'm going to swatch this for you, and my lips are right now turned into pink. So this is not my original baby pink color. My lips is a very neutral color, but I have done so many swatches that it turned into a pink color, and it's also giving a burning sensation. But I'm continuing with my swatches. So this is the color. Let me show you. So this is a color. This is also a peachy pink nude color, and definitely a very good color. It will go with the most of the skin tone. And this is another Maybelline Color Show matte lipstick, and this in the shade Choco Latte. So this is name is chocolate, but definitely it is not a brown nude color, it is a mauvish nude color. So I'm going to swatch this for you. You'll be able to see the color. So this is a mauvish nude color. So this is a creamy effect, so you can see there is a little bit shine effect. Because of the creaminess there is a shining effect, so it will keep your lips very hydrated. And definitely it's not a kiss proof lipstick. The color is very beautiful, and it is also a very neutral color, so this will also go your most of your outfit. So this is how it is looking on my lips. This is a lip crayon from Nykaa, and this is their Mattelicious range, and this is in the shade Next Level Nude. It will go most of the skin tone, and it is an everyday color, and the quality is so good. It has a matte effect, but it also have a creamy textures. It glide very easily in your lips, and you can use this for a long time, like for a daytime, for a longer time you can use this. There will be no crack in your lips. So definitely Nykaa has made a very good lipstick. It's a little bit in high range, but definitely will love this because it's worth every penny. I'm loving this lipstick, so if it get in, definitely I'm going to purchase this another one, because this is a lipstick that you should have. See, this is a peachy pink color. Hope you all have enjoyed watching this video, and also you have make your mind that which shade need to buy, so that whenever lockdown will end and whenever the situation become normal, you will have your favorite color in your vanity, and you can use that shade and you can flaunt it, and also you can take good pictures. So definitely let me know that which shade you are buying and which shade you are decided to buy. So let me know that if you want to see more this type of videos, then definitely I'm going to make more this type of videos. Until then, love you all, take care, bye bye, and see you in my next video.